Hi, my name is Leo Chan, and I'm the founder of Abound Innovation. Our mission is to unleash the power and joy of innovation and creativity for all. And we are passionate about innovation. We believe that innovation is a transforming force in any organization for dreams to become realities, to make impact on business, to make impact in people's lives, because there are innovators in your organization. They might not call themselves innovators, but they are there. There are people that think differently about things. There are people that want to make an impact. There are people that want to be able to see their ideas come to fruition. And so our focus at Abound Innovation is both on innovation, but also on innovators. And that's where our unique differentiator is. We love training innovators and innovator to bees and empowering them with the mindsets and the tools and the skill sets to actually accomplish innovation. And I guarantee you, when you focus on the innovator, the innovations will come. So how do we do that? We train the innovators and the innovator to bees. We've developed workshops that really help people embody the innovator mindset. And so we've created these custom workshops that allow people to explore what that truly is like and experience for themselves. We also help facilitate innovation. If you need more innovation right now, if you're trying to solve a problem and you need new ideas and fresh thinking, we can help you with that. We custom design innovation sessions and workshops that are tailored for you to deliver better outcomes. It will help your team think more creatively and more innovatively about the problem at hand. We are trained in all sorts of different tools and innovation methods, design thinking, creative problem solving, creativity coaching, and we leverage all of that to help create a session for you that really will help you have a better outcome at the end of the day. And this is our favorite part of the innovation process, is dreaming up of new ideas. We're passionate about it. Our energy influences the people in the room, but the ideas and the gold nuggets will actually come from your team. We are the facilitator or the steward of the process by which they will come up with the ideas, because we believe that the best ideas are with your people. It lies already within your teams and your staff. And we create the workshops and the process by which we can get that out of them. So let us design a custom ideation session for your team. We can also use LEGO Serious Play as a modality in order to do that as well. LEGO Serious Play is a powerful methodology that uses LEGO bricks in order to solve business challenges and problems. It can also be used for team building and team culture. It can be used for strategic planning. We're LEGO Serious Play certified as a facilitator and a trainer. And so we can bring LEGO Serious Play workshops to your team. We also unleash insights when it comes to innovation. If you're looking to learn strategic approaches to innovation around building a culture of innovation, around process, around building an innovation center or innovation lab, I can help you with that. I've had the privilege of speaking on innovation and creativity at many places around the globe, including the Creative Mornings, the Front End of Innovation, Creativity Problem Solving Institute Conference, CX Talks, Story, the IAF Global Summit, National Restaurant Association, and more. I really, truly love sharing the things that I've learned on innovation with other people, and hopefully inspiring you to create new innovation and innovations in your organization. And I've also had the privilege of designing the innovation lab at Chick-fil-A called Hatch. And in 2018, I redesigned their space to truly make it an epicenter for innovation, a place where innovation culture thrives. And I can help you design yours in your organization. And last, if you just need consulting on innovation, if you want to learn strategic approaches, if you need help thinking about how to inspire innovators, if you need any help with that, I can provide innovation consulting services to you. That's the overview of Abound Innovation. We love innovation, and we would love to help you in your journey to become more innovative. If you need help with innovation, if you need help with your innovators or innovator to bees, please reach out. This is what we're here for. We truly are passionate about innovation, and we truly think that we can help your organization become more innovative. We would love to see more innovators around the world making impact with the skills and gifts that they have in organizations like yours. Feel free to say hello, drop us a line, reach out anytime. Take care.